Good evening. This is Mr. Sadler coming to you live from the internet on September the 5th, 2017. Thank you for seeing my video here. This is a hello to all the parents and to let you know some of the expectations for the course. This is MFM1P, grade 9 applied math. First of all, thank you for seeing the video, and hopefully, welcome to St. Mary's, I should say as well. And hopefully the first day wasn't too painful for you getting in here. The course webpage here is http www.mrsadler.net. And hopefully you found that okay. If not, all the lessons will be posted on there. The links to the videos will be on there, and any assignments and stuff like that will be on there as well. Okay, so I should put in here first of all, here are some of the supplies that you're going to need for the course. And these supplies you'll need all the way through up until grade 12 every year, so I'll just make a quick list of what they're going to be. Number one is a binder. You should have a binder for every course. That's probably going to be the easiest for you to keep organized. And then you can get rid of it at the end of the semester, obviously. So generally, that will probably be about 150 pages of notes and lessons and all that stuff in there. So probably about an inch or an inch and a half would be great for that. You're also going to need pencils. Math is done in pencils, and I guess erasers I'll put in there too. Math is done in pencil, so make sure you have that for the course. You're also going to need a ruler. We do lots of things with lines, and just for neatness of your notes to underline things, that's good in there as well too. You're going to need a scientific calculator, and if you buy a decent one, and again, even a decent one's only $8 to $12. If you buy a decent one, it'll last you all the way until grade 12 with the same one. I had the same one all through high school, and it worked fine. And last thing we're going to use graph paper. Not a huge amount of sheets, like the smallest one you can find is more than enough. So we'll be later in the course, we'll be doing graphic. Please note a supply that's not on here is cell phones, okay? You do not need a cell phone in this class. If texting becomes a problem, I will call you if your son or your daughter has a habit of texting while I'm teaching, because that's, one, it's rude, and secondly, it's not necessary in math class there when somebody's doing something, right? Let's talk about the workload and the what's going to happen in this course. There will be daily assignments. Here. And they're in-class assignments. So what I tend to do is I start with a warm-up, and then I'll do an assignment to start with the class. If you don't finish it, you can do it for homework, all right? But you should have enough time to get it done in class. We'll have a test about every 2 to 3 weeks. And there's going to be an assignment that'll take an assignment to be done at night to study. That I'll give a day or two before the test that goes with that. Okay. All right. Next comes math help. One thing we pride ourselves on as a school at being very caring and giving you guys a chance to, anyone that needs help, they can get it. The reason I became a teacher is because I like to help, so that's what I do. So on Tuesday and Thursday, there's math help with all the math teachers in room 319. But daily, before school, and at lunch, there's math help in my classroom, which is room 318. So what I recommend is if you miss a day, this is period 1, this class, if you miss a day, it doesn't hurt to come, maybe a few minutes before class and say, hey, what did we do yesterday? Did I miss anything? What do I need to know? If you are having problems with an assignment or a concept that we're doing, just spending 5 or 10 minutes with me will really clarify things for you. And yeah, so it's in any course, not just math, you don't want to just say, well, I don't understand this. Maybe he won't ask it, because I always will. Okay, all the questions that people have, I tend to throw those on the test. So If there's any question, please come either to me on any day, or if you're afraid of me, which hopefully you're not, you can go see another math teacher on Tuesday and Thursday in room 319. Finally, I'm going to put on here contact information. First of all, there's the course webpage, which I already wrote on the board, but I'm going to write it again. It's http://www.mrsadler.net. The school's phone number is 519-376-4278. And my personal email is mr.sadler@gmail.com. This is to be used if you're going to be sick for a while, or you're going on a trip to Jamaica for a week, or whatever seems to be the case. If you need to get in touch with me for the parents, you may do so at any time with that. Okay, so hopefully the first day wasn't too painful. Welcome to St. Mary's, and let's have a great semester. See you later.